Hello everyone, Jongah here. Today I'll be explaining to you how to say good job in Korean. Korean people like to compliment each other when they notice effort or a job well done. Some examples of complimenting someone this way are after you finish work, after a long day outside in the heat, or after a difficult test at school. You might also use it in other situations where people might have had a hard time or when they helped you. An example could be if someone helped you with moving houses. Now, how do we say this in Korean? There are a few different ways to say good job in Korean. When someone did something well, you can say 잘했어요. You usually wouldn't tell this to someone older than you. It could sound disrespectful. Another way to say good job is 고생했어요. 고생했어요. A similar way to say it is 수고했어요. 수고했어요. They both mean good job or you've worked hard. These are often used at the end of the day at work or when a project is done. If you want to talk with someone more informally, you can use the exact words and leave out the you. So you can say 잘했어 or 고생했어 or 수고했어. You might use these phrases with someone younger than you. You could also use them with someone the same age as you and have a close relationship. Pretty easy. Just remember that the yo is polite and without the yo is casual. There is a firmer version of these Korean phrases. You can say 고생하셨습니다. 고생하셨습니다 or 수고하셨습니다. 수고하셨습니다. Have you ever heard this expression before? Let us know in the comments below.